Good morning, it is currently 8:30. Just woke up. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my little morning routine where I journal for 10 minutes, I read for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna get ready for school. Gotta be gentle with the skin. Now onto makeup. I'm using Bare Minerals Bare Skin. It's Pure Brightening Serum Foundation. Also SPF 20. I just put like a little blotch. Is there even a difference? Let's do another round. So it's currently 10 o'clock and I have to leave by 11:30, so I have a good hour and 30 minutes. I think this was supposed to go on before the powder, but oh well. My eyelashes are like super straight. But they're pretty long, so I have to like curl them every single time. Okay, now I'm gonna spray some Temptation by Victoria's Secret because it smells amazing. Okay, so it's 10:44 now, so I have to leave in about like 40 minutes. So I just wanted to share with you a gift that I was recently given. The reason this is like really heartwarming to me. So I've just been in school for the past 5 years. I'm graduating spring 2020. Yeah, this is a graduation gift to me from my parents. And I think that's why it has like a lot more meaning to me. It's like a really nice thing that I feel like I don't deserve. And I'm just really grateful for it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up with you guys. Here's the bag. Such a nice quality bag, honestly. Like just the bag alone is probably worth a lot of money. And a little wrinkle, but you know. For also high quality thing that I might use for something else, like this bag is like super nice. I can just stare at this all day, it's so pretty. Okay, here we go. So this purse, it's called Clooney BB. So, it's so pretty. It's like, this is totally my style. I love this handle. I don't even know how to describe purses, but yeah. I really like this too. I think this is super pretty. My parents visited Macau on vacation and they had a blast. Oh. Okay, so I just pulled this out of the bag, which I think is really cute. So it's like a longer strap that you can attach and kind of like hang it over the shoulder. So I found this inside the bag. Okay, there's 2 of them. So let's see what they are. Oh, well, it's perfume. Wow. Oh, wow. It smells like rich people. Let's see the other one. Oh, I don't like that. This one's called Nouveau Monde. Don't like it. This one is called Mille Faux. I think that one's really good, but this one is a winner. This one smells like, I can't even explain it. Not my taste. Open it up. There's one more thing in here. Oh, okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the inside of the purse. I'm holding this in my hand right now. Show you the inside. I don't know if you can see that. It's really spacious. It has this zipper here. It feels so soft. Oh, it also has like, I didn't see this. It has 2 pockets right here. So that's kind of nice. I can put like chapstick or something in there. I don't want to take it out into the horrible, horrible world. It's so pretty. Maybe I'll wait until my graduation. But yeah, I'm really grateful for this. Like, I feel like I don't deserve it because, yeah, I'm graduating with my BA. But I have like 5 to 6 more years of school left. So I feel like, I don't know. It's a good ending to a 5 years of stress and tests and all that stuff. It has been a stressful 5 years, but I just don't want to think about this as me graduating because I know there's so much school left for me. I don't really want to like congratulate myself too much for this, but it is an accomplishment. So I'm putting it back in its little home here. Goodbye for now. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for this graduation gift that I'm super, super grateful for. So I'm heading to school now. I have nutrition class at 12:30, an hour and a half break. At 3:30, I have a biochem class. I met somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Oh, sorry. Oops, I accidentally cut someone off. I thought he was in the other lane, but like turns out, yeah, I cut him off. I'm sorry. Yeah. Don't you want me, baby? It's true, I'm a sucker for you. Okay, now here's the real tricky part, is finding parking. There's never parking at this time. So I have to go round and around and around. Oh my God, did I find parking? Is that a parking? Oh my God, I found parking. It is rare, let me tell you. Thank you, Jesus. See, I may cut people off once in a while, but my parking skills, are on point. Let's go. I'm back home. I'm in my pajamas. Today's just been a really long day. I don't know why. My Tuesday and Thursday classes literally feel like they last forever. I am gonna call it a day because I'm just really tired. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So like and subscribe. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.